Coinbase coin stock soars. Here's the inside scoop. Buckle up, because we've got some exciting news that's shaking up the investment world. Coinbase, the blockchain infrastructure giant, saw its shares skyrocket by an impressive 7% in the afternoon session. But what's behind this sudden surge? It all started with a hint from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell about a potential interest rate cut. This news sent investors flocking to riskier assets like cryptocurrencies, breathing new life into the market. Powell's speech in Jackson Hole teased the possibility of a rate cut as early as next month, igniting a fire under Coinbase's shares. But here's where it gets really interesting. This positive turn in sentiment completely reversed the downward trend from earlier in the week. Concerns about the Fed's policy had previously pushed Coinbase's stock down, but Powell's words worked their magic. In fact, even Bitcoin felt the love, surging from below $112,000 to around $116,500 following the speech. So, is now the perfect time to jump on the Coinbase bandwagon? Before you make any hasty decisions, be sure to check out our full analysis report. It's completely free and packed with valuable insights. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Coinbase's shares are notoriously volatile, with 63 moves greater than 5% over the last year alone. In this context, today's jump indicates that while the market sees this news as significant, it's not a game changer for the company's overall perception. But here's a little controversy for you. Just 3 days ago, we reported on Coinbase's stock dropping 5.6% due to investor apprehension ahead of a key policy speech and confusing inflation signals. This led to a wider market retreat from growth-oriented stocks, with major players like Nvidia, AMD, and Broadcom feeling the heat. So, what does this all mean for Coinbase? Despite the recent turbulence, the company is still up an impressive 24.4% since the beginning of the year. However, at $319.96 per share, it's trading 23.8% below its 52-week high of $419.78 from July 2025. Investors who bought $1,000 worth of Coinbase shares at the IPO in April 2021 would now be looking at an investment worth $974.64. Want to stay in the loop on the companies you care about? Add them to your Stock Story watch list, and we'll send you timely explanations whenever there's a significant move. It's free, easy, and will keep you one step ahead of the game.